not know this about me, but I am a medical marijuana patient in the state of Pennsylvania. I qualify through my anxiety, and I've been a patient for about 2 years now. But actually, the time is coming up for me to recertify my card, which you have to do every year. So I'll be heading to my friends at Nucell Regenerative right outside Philadelphia. I've been to them before for their immune-boosting IV bags, and they just started offering medical marijuana certifications and recertifications as well. If you live in Pennsylvania and are interested in learning more about medical marijuana, I highly encourage you to make an appointment with Nucell Regenerative. And they also gave me a code for you all to use, Zoe, which will get you $25 off all medical marijuana certifications and recertifications, and $50 off their IV therapies. I love being a medical marijuana patient, and I'm so happy that my friends over at Nucell Regenerative are able to help me keep up my life. I've been to them before for their immune-boosting IV bags, and they just started offering medical marijuana certifications and recertifications as well. If you live in Pennsylvania and are interested in learning more about medical marijuana, I highly encourage you to make an appointment with Nucell Regenerative. And they also gave me a code for you all to use.
Hi Matt, how are you doing today?
Doing great.
So I just wanted to thank you for taking the time to speak with me today about the IV infusion therapy. And I know you're going to receive the treatment soon, but can you tell me a little bit about the experience?
Yeah, so far it's been wonderful. We're in a very nice setting. The room is very quiet. It's very comforting. The temperature is wonderful. It's a place where I'm going to be sitting for the next hour getting this infusion, so of course I want to be comfortable. The chair vibrates, which is fantastic. I'm going to recline back and relax. I can charge my phone while I'm here. Whatever type of phone you have, you can charge them. And I'm just making myself comfortable and getting ready to get the infusion over the next hour.
So, I know that a lot of individuals, they take oral supplements. Why would you suggest the IV infusion therapy over an oral supplement?
Oral supplements can be great depending on the person's absorption level once it gets through the digestive system, the digestive tract. On the other hand, when you're getting an IV therapy infusion, it goes directly into your bloodstream and it tends to stay there a lot longer, from a few days to maybe a month. So you're getting the benefit, the longer term benefit of the infusion versus just taking them orally, which typically they're going to be out of your system within a day or two. If they're water soluble, they're going to be out the following day. You urinate them out. If they're fat soluble, they'll certainly be in the system a lot longer. But to have those nutrients and trace minerals and vitamins going directly into your bloodstream, you're going to get a much more of an effect, positive effect, and a much longer effect.
Okay, great. Approximately how long does this treatment take?
On average, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to get the entire bag into your veins.
Okay. And then, does it typically hurt?
It's the same as any needle stick that you would get, but if you look at the needle itself that goes into your arm, it's a very small gauge, so you barely feel it.
Okay, great. So how often should someone get them, and how long will it typically last?
Again, everyone being different, I would say depending on the issues that you are experiencing, we will recommend twice a month for most therapies, certainly once a month at the very least.
Okay. And then how long will it last? How long will I notice these effects of the IV infusion therapy?
Again, every individual is going to be different, and you'll feel it, you'll notice. Again, it could be a few days, it could be up to a month. So depending on how you feel, you'll know the next time you need to come back in and get a recharge.
And then, do the IV infusion therapy treatments help with specific health issues such as anxiety, insomnia, fatigue, cancer, anything like that?
The way we have our drips formulated is per the actual health condition. So if you're experiencing fatigue deficient in those nutrients, trace minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and so on, which then goes on to cause and manifest in particular health concerns like insomnia, fatigue, and so on. So we're giving you something specifically dealing with your health concern. So it should address those concerns very well. And of course, again, you'll know when you'll need the next infusion based on how you feel. Cancer is something that there's been a lot of studies done on high-dose vitamin C. High-dose vitamin C, based on the studies, works really well in helping the body to break down the cancer cells and to shrink tumors. So anyone that's getting chemotherapy, if they're looking to supplement that level of care with high-dose vitamin C, it's certainly recommended highly.
And I know that your practice also provides medical marijuana certifications for patients that are in cancer and in remission. I just wanted to point out, I think this will be beneficial for those patients.
Yes, absolutely. In addition to the medical marijuana, which certainly is going to help people with the various health concerns and health issues, we do certifications and recertifications for people that have their cards or need new medical marijuana cards, and specifically dealing with whatever their health concerns may be. But in addition to that, a lot of these folks, we believe, are deficient in these nutrients, and especially, for example, anxiety. We'll take anxiety as an example. There are, based on the information that we have, there are definite deficiencies in nutrients that causes anxiety. So based on that, we recommend coming in, again, once or twice a month to receive those nutrients, see how you feel, how long the effects last, and based on the length of the effects, and coming back in and doing another bag for that period of time.
I've also heard out in California and I believe in New York that they're offering an immunity boost. So does the IV infusion therapy that you are offering, does that also help with immunity?
Yes, immunity, of course, is an overall health level that every individual has a different level based on their lifestyle, based on how they eat, if they exercise, if they smoke or don't smoke, and so on. A lot of those things, of course, affect immunity. We've seen that in the past year with this virus that's been going around. Certainly certain people didn't get it, certain people got it to a level that was not severe at all, and then other people, of course, had it very severely. So that's going to be the varying immunity effects that people have naturally, but it's certainly something you can boost with nutrition, IV nutrition. So we offer an antiviral bag specifically that will help build your immunity to fight off any viruses that might come your way in the coming flu and virus season this fall, winter. So that's highly suggested to come in and to get a bag every 2 weeks of the antiviral nutrients to help you get through this flu season.
Okay. And then how did you come up with your IV treatment menu?
Yeah, the menu is based on different health concerns that are known to have nutritional deficiencies attached to them. So with years of studies from this clinical lab that we work with, they have shown specifically that those nutrients, when deficient, cause those specific issues. So we're addressing those concerns individually, like, again, insomnia, fatigue, migraine headaches, and so on.
Okay. Are they safe?
Unbelievably safe. Yeah, there are certain people that probably shouldn't get infusions based on some other health concerns. We ask questions before the IV is given to make sure that they don't have those health concerns. If they do not, then of course it's very beneficial for just about anyone.
Okay, great. I think that's all the questions that I had for you today. Is there anything else that you wanted to discuss?
No, just can't wait to get my therapy and continue to come back, and hope you come and join us and keep your health up.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Matt.